Hello everyone. In the last video you noticed that whatever material we assign to the exterior, for instance the exterior side of the walls, is going to be the same material that we see in the interiors. Now usually we have different materials on the outside and inside the walls, right? So I want to go to a perspective view here, set view to perspective. I can also change this to shaded maybe. Okay, much better. Now I want to turn all the layers off except for the wall layer. And how about I just close the named views for now. Let's make sure that the wall is an active layer. I want to click on the first layer, on the last layer, hold shift, and I want to turn them off. Now I can just turn on the wall layer. So these are all the walls that we have in this project, right? And this is what I'm going to do. Under the wall layer, I want to create a couple of sub layers. Actually, I need to click on wall, create another one, click on wall layer, and create another one. For these sub layers, I want to rename one of them as exterior wall. I want to rename one of them as maybe interior wall. I want to rename the other one as bathroom wall. You can keep going based on how many finishes you have. You can create more and more sublayers. So you see that here all the surfaces are merged. I want to type X to explode it. Okay, so let's try it again. X exploded. Okay, very good. Now it's all exploded. Now we can actually kind of select the surfaces, which are the outside surfaces, and move them to the exterior wall layers. I want to change the color of this exterior wall layer to a different color. Interior wall, I want to change this also to a different color. And the bathroom walls, I also want to change this to, actually I'm going to keep this on black. Now we need to select this wall, hold shift, select the other ones. And then you can either go to properties, change this to exterior wall, right? You need to keep going, hold shift. Or you can just directly change the layer from here. So this is going to be exterior wall. And then for the interior walls, we need to select the interior surfaces. Maybe this part of the windows would have the same material as the interior too. And then we can change those layers to interior wall. We need to keep going, decide about all the walls, and for some places such as here, which is the bathroom wall, we can change it to a bathroom wall from here. So for this wall over here, which is kind of continuous, I want to draw a line to separate this part from the rest. So I want to go with L. Make sure that the end O snap is on and project should be off. I want to draw a line from here to here. Select the surface, go with split. And for the select cutting objects, I just want to click on this line, hit a space. We don't need the line anymore. We can get rid of it. You see that this wall is split. Now I can change these walls to bathroom walls. So as you see, I moved every wall on the wall 3D layer to either exterior, interior, or bathroom walls. If you have more than 3 finishes, you can keep making more sub layers. Now I can go to a different sublayer, I can actually delete wall 3D because there is no other elements in that. You can turn off the other two layers. So this is all my exterior layers. This surface at the top of the wall and that surface at the bottoms of the wall, that doesn't really actually matter which layer it is because it's not going to be seen in the renders, right? So now we can actually use Boolean and merge again. So I want to go with Boolean union or BU, and I want to go with merge all planar faces or merge all core planar faces. I want to go to interior wall, turn the other one off. So these are all the interior walls. I want to do the same. So I want to go with BU for Boolean union, and I want to go with merge all coplanar faces. Okay, I want to do the same for the bathroom walls. I want to go with BU and merge all coplanar faces. Now you see that we have either the exterior walls, so one material will be assigned to the exterior walls, one material will be assigned to the interior walls, and one material will be assigned to the bathroom walls. You see that I also splitted these walls here. Whatever we have above the roof is actually our exterior type of finish. Whatever we have below the roof is gonna have the material that we assign to the interior walls. Okay. So now I want to select the first layer, select the last layer, turn all of them on. Next, I want to go to my named views. I can go to this menu. I have named views here. I want to put it back at the bottom. Okay, now I can switch between the interior view and the exterior view. I want to change this to rendered. This is our interior, this is our exterior. This time I want to assign a different material to the exterior, so I want to go to the exterior sublayer, go to materials, I want to go to new material, import from material library. I want to go to the architectural wall, concrete beige. Okay, I want to go with this one. It seems good. We can switch to the living room. For the interior walls, I want to assign the white paint, and I want to switch to a perspective view. Go to maybe shaded, hide the roof, and for the bathroom wall I can actually change this back to render so we can see that area. Later we need to put a camera in the bathroom as well. I want to go to bathroom wall, architectural wall, tile. Let's see this tile here. Okay, for now it's good. We can change it later. We can consider a similar process for the floor as well. So you can actually split the floor in different areas. Let's try one of them. I want to go to my perspective view, change this to shaded. So I want to go to my floor, create one sub layer, and this is going to be the bathroom floor. How about I hide everything else? This should be my active layer. I want to select the first layer, hold shift, select the last one, turn them off. Let's make sure that the wall is working. Okay, so I want to turn the wall layer. There we go. Now because this is a cube, I need to first explode it, so I'm going to type explode. So now we can only work on this surface. We can try splitting now. Select this surface, split, select that surface, and because it's open here, it's not going to split it, right? So I want to draw a line here, from here to here. I want to select this surface, split. I want to select this object and the line together. Now you see that it's actually split. I want to change this to bathroom floor layer. I need to turn that on, and I want to change this color. So that means we did it correctly. So for this bathroom floor, I assigned tile for now. We can work on it later. For the floor itself, maybe I can use a wood floor. I want to go to a new material. I want to go to architectural floor, wood, and we can go with one of these items, parquet wood, red dark maybe. That's good. Okay. So now I want to turn all the layers on. We can go to one of the interior views. We can change this to rendered. So you see the parquet shows here. You can keep going. You can divide the floor areas further. If you want to assign a different floor material to the kitchen, you can make a new sub layer for the kitchen and so on.